Hello, welcome to new video. Yep, I've been damaged strictly on the nose, so I will be like Rudolph with the red mule. That's why I'm using the protection eyes, because every time I try to drill or bend or something, bam, straight up to your face. So always at least save your eyes if you can. If you have sunglasses or regular glasses or whatever, protect your eyes so you don't get stuff like that in your eyes. However, welcome to a new video, and in this video I will depart a table saw that's completely messed up. I got some new stuff in my walls, as you see behind me there. That's my blue cellulose, and right behind me I have my metal detector, and I'm gonna put up some more stuff in the wall. So stay tuned and you will see what we're scrapping, and maybe I need some shave as well. Who knows? So, the first I noticed was this adjustment that you have cross over here, so you regulate the depth of the piece you want to cut, or aluminium, and I do see some small brass pins, and this is just thread. These pins are probably as well magnetic, so I just gonna untie the screws and make this smaller, so this go to shred. And I assume they are pretty good motor in this one, and it's also pretty heavy. Yep, that's a really nice motor. It's a 50 hertz, 1200 watts, 4800 speed per minute. So yeah, it's quite good. And I also noticed that it's been standing so long in this garage that the foam inside are also start to melt and get really messed up on the cable. And we have a safety button that I on off, so let's take this down in pieces. And for this job I need a screwdriver and some bits. I just need to figure out which one is the best one, and okay, I think this is the best one. Wrong direction. Some shred. I want to get into the motor. So let's twist it. So I did have some problem with the just with the blades. I had to really demolish everything, so I'll skip you that part. But here you see, this is the part of the one part of the engine. Aluminium, just need some cleanup for the oil and some cables. I did have to drill these two screws because they don't want to go, so I had to actually pop it with a drill. And this is another piece of the motor, but this aluminium case. We did find some brass, one little copper spool, some cables, and I think this is some kind of switch or safety or something. Got some more brass, a little bit copper and coal and copper, and they have this big piece of copper transformer. So yeah, and still the aluminium. So that was the all of it I needed to save from that table saw. So now it's completely damaged. So this is what I got. So now, if you notice, the picture of the beginning of this video are actually part of the rest of the video I'm gonna show you right now, and that's my custom made table for my vise, and there's a little bit grinding left and some extra tools gonna be on it, but actual the table is done. So have a look. This is my new table. Everything is custom made. You see there are no screws at all. Everything is special designed with some wheel that can lock. I can roll it. So I have space, but it's depending what I want to do and where I want to do it. I have space for my tripods and other stuff where I needed. So I do have an extra shelf that I can put my tools on. And when I have it on the side like that, I'm just gonna make some like that, and I still have this space for contact where I can use my vacuum cleaner. So basically I don't have actually to move around it, but if I want to have it centered on the floor when I'm doing something, more lights or whatever it is. So yeah, this is my new table for my vise. With the wheels and the top of the vise are exactly 1 meter. We designed it that way so it's easier. Otherwise, at first I thought I'm gonna have the table on 1 meter, but 1 meter plus 20 centimeter are gonna be too high for me to work. So this is a nice, good height. Can easily twist it, and it's extra strong here. That's because of the vise, or the table would not bending. So what I'm gonna do is do some grinding with the machine to make it a little smooth. Maybe I can get away this damage. We have to squeeze it to because everything is glued. I'm gonna show you in this video also. You will see what kind of thing we did, so you get more idea about how this table is made. This is just a small, quick thing. Maybe I'll try to get it out in the lights so you can see it better. There we go. It's 50 times 50 between the legs. And this a little bit more because I do have a hatch. And I'm gonna put some plate on it where I can put up some small spikes and stuff, so I can put my hammer and stuff on the side, so I don't have to run to the wall. So the hammer and the chisels will be stuck on that.